Hey guys, Cameron over at 816 Diesel, bringing you a February cold start walk around video. I mean, it's like negative out today. It's freezing. Ground is solid ice everywhere. We're going to be cold starting this 08 Ford F350 1-ton crew cab long bed Lariat truck, 6.4 Power Stroke. A lot going on with it. Actually, not really. A stock truck with the exception of some wheels and tires and some lights, but we're going to be cold starting it. She has not ran yet today. It's freezing out, so it's about as good as the cold start as you're going to get. Seat's pretty good shape. It's got one little seam split, but not terrible. Hop up in here real quick. Oh, it's equally as cold here. All right, get the keys up here. We'll get some info off her. 145,859 on the miles. We're going to watch that wait to start. She's out. As you can see on the top there, it's cold across the board. Truck fires right up, no problems. Low miles, well kept. TPMS fault? Yep, the new wheels and tires do not have TPMS in them. No check engine lights, nothing weird. Other than TPMS and a seatbelt light flashing, that's all we got. But let's see here. Lariat model, so it's loaded. It's got your auxiliary line in there, onboard auxiliary switches and trailer brakes, dual climate control with heated seats, which I'm going to activate mine right now. Electric pedals as well. Kind of a cool little option. Yeah. 4-wheel drive on the fly, cruise control, volume control on the steering wheel. All the good options. No sunroof though. It is a 6-seater, 6 seat belts with a middle jump seat. Pretty clean old truck though. 2 cup holders down low and 2 right here in the center. Leather's in good shape. Truck runs and drives great. It's bone stock mechanically. We did not do anything to this truck. We did a lift kit, wheels and tires. It was a stock old man truck when we got it. All we did was service the front suspension. Everything's been replaced that needed replaced in the front end. 3-inch lift kit, and the wheels, I'm going to go over the modifications in the cab because it's cold out, so I'm going to cut it short and sweet when we're outside. The wheels are Cali off-road wheels, switchbacks. We have them on a lot of our trucks. The set on this truck is an expensive set. They are 24 by 14-inch Calis. So they are big specialty wheels, negative 51 offset, and they are wrapped in a 35 1250 24 Haida mud tire. Brand new wheels, brand new tires. The setup has 5 miles on them. They are very nice, and I believe it's the power folding. Yep, power folding mirrors on this Lariat edition. Just wanted to show you that both those do work just fine. Windows are tinted. The lights are smoked, Harley-Davidson headlights, smoked taillights, but other than that, this truck is stock, and we got it 100% stock. But let's get out, check out the wheels, tires, body. It does have the smallest amount of rust on the bed. This is a pretty clean truck, but the bed had a little bit of rust under the fender flares, pretty minimal. We grind it, kill it, put the Permatex rust preventative stop stuff on there, and put some black fender flares on there. Other than that, you guys know the story here. Everything works as it should. This truck runs and drives great. Just had an alignment, Missouri inspection, so clean title in hand, ready to rock. But let's hop out, check out the hood, and go around, look around. If I remember right, under the hood of this truck, it's almost immaculate. I remember checking that out when we first got it, saying that. Oh yeah, super clean. Super clean. We don't detail under these hoods. We give them a little wipe down, but that is it. This thing is clean and nice. You can tell someone took very good care of it. Little to no blow-by. Hardly noticeable. Cap's not jumping at all. Those are the new Harley-Davidson headlights. They got the clear marker in them. Oh yeah, we did just kick them on. I don't know if you'll be able to see. We did upgrade to LED headlights in this as well, so They have a nice 6K blue tint to them. Oh yeah, you can see them, they're nice. So, the downside to this truck, a little bit of fade on the Ford emblem, some rock chips, and there's a dent right there. Could probably be pulled out pretty easy. I'm not a body guy, so I don't go messing with that stuff. And a little bit of a dimple right there. I only really noticed it straight on, but it is there. But that's the extent right there. Looks like pocket trailer, street sign, something small. Other than that, this thing's straight as an arrow. This kit's brand new. We just put that in. It's just a coil spacer. These wheels are awesome. I'm just going to let you know these are high-end wheels. They're not cheap. We went hard on these. We know our customers like dope stuff, so here it is. 24 by 12 Cali switchback and a black and milled gloss finish, and brand new mud tires. 35, 1250, 24 LT load range G10 ply. Still got the nipples on them, as you can see. Brand new. Little dent right here, I just noticed that I never really had. It's kind of barely creased. Probably could be worked out. Does have the keypad right there. Super sharp truck. I mean, this thing gets attention everywhere it goes. No rust either, it's not rusty. Good shape all around on the rockers. Here's the bed. Bed rails are still solid, they're not shot. They got a little bit of rust starting, but usually those are pretty crumbled on these. Just a little bit on this bedside right here under the fender flare. 4x4 package, and we did we did an LED third brake light. We like to keep our lights all consistent, smoked all around. Tail lights have a light smoking, they're OEM tail lights. Tailgate. Oh, and it does have a turnover ball in the bed and your trailer plug for wiring right there. Tailgate's a step model, so it's got the step. Kind of hard to do it one-handed, but you get the gist. Step drops down, hop up in there for ease, and it does have a spray-in bed liner too. It looks like a Line-X, really nice thick one. Rear bumper, it's got a little ding right there, not terrible. I mean, it's got 140K, it's a 10, 11-year-old truck, so I mean, it's got little dings here and there, a couple rock chips, but body-wise, it's straight as an arrow. Stock exhaust, stock power, stock everything. No damage to report besides the little dings in the bumpers. The body is straight as an arrow. Nice cab corners. They're not roached or rusted at all. I did not unlock it. Dang it. Oh, it's too cold for this. Sorry guys if I'm rushing. My hands are falling off as we film this. Did not unlock it. Leather's in good shape, just a little dust right there. Came right off. And you do have the under seat storage on these as well that fold out. You got a big metal tray in case you gotta throw your tools in the back seat. But all in all, great truck, guys. 816diesel.com. If you're interested, you can call us on our landline, 816diesel 298-7030. We're downtown Kansas City where I-35 meets I-70. Also, head over to our website. You're going to find the VIN, pictures, pricing. Every question you might have about this truck should be answered on the website. 816diesel.com. Head on over there. My cell phone is the text line, 913-735-3748. That is, oh, there you're going to see the exterior temp, 12 degrees. The wind chill, it's negative. My cell phone. Call or text me anytime. My name's Cameron. Happy to help answer any questions or set up an appointment, whatever you want to know. I've got the answers for you. Clean title in hand, located downtown Kansas City, Missouri, just off I-35 and I-70. Appreciate your time, guys. Stay warm, stay safe. Roads are icy. Have a good weekend.